Hi guys, my name is Ralph. I graduated in 2017, so quite old. Your professors asked me to share a little bit about what I do, so hopefully you find it interesting. I have a I have my main job. I have a side hustle, and I'm also studying. So my main job is I work as a quality manager for Emma. Emma is a global sleep tech brand. We produce pillows, beds, mattresses, etc. As a quality manager, my role is to make sure that all of our products, regardless of who supplied them or who manufactured them, will deliver the same performance. So we have multiple suppliers across the globe. So the goal is, regardless of who that supplier is or who manufactures that product, they should deliver the same performance. Yep, and for my side hustle, I co-founded a startup with a good friend of mine from college. The ultimate goal is for us to recycle demolition waste into new construction materials. But right now, we're working on recycling marble scraps and marble offcuts into new surfaces for claddings, countertops, floorings, etc. We already have a working prototype for this new material, but we're still in the very early stages. We haven't started with commercialization yet. We're still in the product development stage. Yeah. So they asked me to share if I was able to use the things that I learned in school. As a materials engineering student, was I able to apply it now in my job? And the answer is yes. For example, in my job as a quality manager at Emma, we have a physical product, and in order for me to make sure that they will deliver the same performance, there should be like a gauge, or there should be some. I mean, you need to be able to measure something that will tell you that it will deliver the same performance, and in my case, that is material property. So if the products have the same property, then more or less you could expect that it will behave in a similar way, or it will deliver the same performance. So that's where the math-e background gets useful. So since I'm a materials engineer, I have a good understanding of material properties. I know how to test them. I know what things to look out for. So I use it a lot in my job. And in my startup, definitely I use a lot of math-e concepts. Since we're still in the product development stage, we do a lot of research, and we use a lot of concepts from composite materials, from ceramic materials in the development stage. So yes, definitely it's very, very useful. My advice is, if opportunities are not available for you, or if there are no opportunities present, make those opportunities for yourself. And yeah, it's something that I'm already doing now, but I wish I would have done it sooner, or a little bit earlier. And the reason I'm saying this is because the reality behind our degree, or the program that we're in, materials engineering, is we don't have that many opportunities available to us once we graduate. And yeah, that's the sad reality. And that's because materials science or materials engineering is a relatively new field here in the Philippines, and most companies don't recognize the need to hire a materials engineer. So it can be discouraging, but I mean, yeah, if you could always choose to, you're a college graduate, you could do anything. But if you really want to pursue the thing you studied, which is material science, it could be difficult. So my suggestion is, if you're keen on following that path, make those opportunities for yourself. There are many ways to do that, but I'm not gonna talk about that now because that would take a lot of time. But yeah, that is my tip for you guys.